All right, I'm Josh Korick.
I'm Isla.
I'm Ian. I'm Elena, and this is Oreo.
And that's Oreo, and this is your Blue Edge Energy Weekly Market Snapshot. Let's jump into it. Everybody, the current price of gas is at $3.04.1 a decatherm. That's up 8.3 cents since last week, kids. Pretty impressive. Meanwhile, the June gas contract rolled off the books just under $3 at $2.98.4. When we look to next winter gas strip price, it's up $3.22 a decatherm. That's up 8.2 cents since last week, Ian. The 2022 calendar strip price, $2.87.7 a decatherm. That's up 8.4 cents since last week. And the winter 2022-2023 gas strip, is $2.93.9 a decatherm. That's up 7.7 cents since last week as well. Lastly, the 2023 calendar strip price right now, $2.67.6. But remember, that's if you have even loads throughout the entire year, which most people don't. The storage report, folks, came in a little bit above what we expected at plus 98 BCF change to the ground. This puts our current overall inventory right now at 2,313 BCF. That's 386 BCF below last year's number and negative 61 BCF below the 5-year average. So we're creeping back up if we keep some good storage reports. Now let's take a look at the regional cash out price. Physical gas in Chicago right now is trading right close to the NYMEX, $2.96.5, but that is up 16 cents since last week. And for our friends over on the western part of the state, Northern Natural Gas Ventura, $2.89 a decatherm. That's up 14 cents since last week alone, Oreo. Let's talk about the weather. The weather's been really good. The forecast is calling for some even hotter weather. Might be even swimming in our lake type of weather. We'll see what happens. 90 degrees during the day, dropping to 80s next week. Meanwhile, parts of Texas and the south are expected to be around 10 degrees cooler than we are here in Wisconsin. But who really cares about those folks down there? We care about us up here in Wisconsin and having good weather. Meanwhile, the 8 to 14-day national weather forecast calls for a repeat of hot weather in the north and cool weather down in Texas. However, local forecasts are showing temperatures dipping in the lower 80s, upper 70s during the same period. Somebody should be correcting all this whole thing. Let's talk a little commentary. Despite the much improved injection report of plus 98 BCF to this week's EIA report, the bulls have continued to push the July gas prices up on up, and the curve, the back end of the futures curve is higher as well this week. The July contract did reach all the way up to $3.15 on Tuesday, but now we're sitting down at $3.04. Now, while the market bulls, they're going to continue to push the narrative of hot summer weather, the market continues to see higher gas prices causing a shift back to coal power generation away from natural gas. Now, I'm going to pull up a rig graph count here. Now, you'll see that the higher gas and oil prices are pushing an increase in the drill rig activity. Currently, we're at 457 rigs active in the lower 48 compared to 301 last year. So these sustained higher prices are keeping us rolling with more rigs, which means more gas, and we're going to hopefully see higher injections here in the future storage reports. So on behalf of myself, Blake, who's not in this frame, obviously, TJ and Karen, who are not at the farm either, and on behalf of all the children in the family, Oreo the chicken, we wish you a wonderful weekend. We'll talk to you later. Any last thoughts?
Bye. Bye. Bye.
All right. Toodaloo.
Did you see my cat in there?